Are you sabotaging your weight loss goals? Coming up, the 5 things that you may be doing that could be preventing you from getting those pounds to fall right off.
Are you in a weight loss slump? Does it feel like you'll never lose those last 5 pounds? Weight loss expert Lisa Lynn says that 5 things could be sabotaging your goals. Here's what they might be. Lisa, so glad you're here. Summer's here. This is the 5 pounds of fat that me and probably every other woman or man out there wants to lose for bathing suit season.
Huge.
But we are making some big mistakes when we're trying to lose weight that are working against us.
We are. And I talk all about this in my book, that it's not the big things that we do that really stop metabolism. It's the little things that we don't even think count, and we don't journal them.
So what are
Still has sugar. This banana is 3 servings of fruit. A serving size is supposed to be 4 inches, and this is about 3.
So you think you're having a banana and you're being healthy, but that's 3 servings, and you really only want that much a whole day.
Even though this is healthy sugar, it still has sugar. Having said that, we still need fiber, especially when we're trying to lose weight. We need to feel full. I love sun fiber. This is the only invisible regulating fiber. Doesn't leave any grit, no taste. And the best part about this one is it won't block your gut, but it slows gastric transit time, meaning it'll slow the release, which helps us with blood sugar, and it helps with the hunger hormone, making you feel fuller longer.
So you won't want to eat as much all the time.
So if you're struggling, 1, dump the fruit and see what happens, turn into vegetables. But 2nd, increase your fiber. I suggest adding this every day, at least once a day, to your protein shake in the morning.
Okay, exercise.